When a business is looking for a payment solution to handle its online transactions, one of the first questions they have is, can this company operate where I do? This is especially true for pan-European marketplaces that need to process payments across multiple countries. The answer is critical for a company like Lemonway, which provides payment processing and digital wallet management for over 1,400 online marketplaces. So, how many countries does Lemonway operate in? The short and direct answer is 29. Lemonway is a payment institution authorized and regulated by the French Financial Supervisory Authority, and it benefits from the EU Financial Passport. This passport is what allows them to operate across the entire European Economic Area. This means that they can offer their services in all 27 countries of the European Union, plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway. This pan-European approach is a huge advantage for their clients, as it simplifies the complex process of cross-border transactions. Their work is not limited to a single nation. Their services are designed to manage payments in a secure and compliant way across many different legal and financial systems. This includes handling everything from payment acceptance to managing digital wallets and ensuring compliance with KYC and AML regulations. Their ability to do this consistently across 29 countries is what makes them a key player in the European fintech scene. It's also why they have offices in several major European cities, including Paris, London, Madrid, Milan, and Hamburg, to support their widespread operations.